Okay, guys, we're at Perry Homes in Turnleaf, which is in Punta Gorda, Florida. And this is 13074 Camelot Lane. Who doesn't want to live on Camelot Lane, for goodness sakes? Okay, beautiful, brand new, ready to close. We have LVP floors. We have 14-inch, I think or 14-foot ceilings. Or is it 12? Anyway, I don't know. They're really tall. And you have an office den right here in the front with the double, glass doors. Let's keep going. You have your mechanic's closet. Guest bedroom with an ensuite bath, shower tub combination, and there is a walk-in closet in that bathroom as well. Let's keep going. Right here is access to our 2-stall garage, and I'm loving this drop station situation that they have. This house is in the final stages, so punch list, you're gonna see some tape and so forth around, but don't let it scare you. Oh my gosh, this kitchen. Look at this space. I'm loving these windows, high impact glass. We've got dovetail, we've got soft close, we've got black accents. I'm loving this marble tile. Look at how well they do a corner pantry. You guys, it's just amazing. You have nice high-end appliances, beautiful finishes. Let's keep going here. So down this space here, we've got laundry room over here, get a bedroom, walk-in closet. Here you have a bathroom with the shower tub combination. I can't talk. Another walk-in closet here. And again, the LVP is almost everywhere. We've got tile in the bathrooms, but I am just loving this floor. Okay, dining space here, living space here. You've got this nice covered patio situation out here. You do have room for a small pool that you can do, and then these preserves aren't going anywhere, so you're going to have those trees lined up out there. Owner's suite in here. Good Lord, you can get 2 king-size beds in here, chest of drawers, seating areas, all of that. You've got these really cute, this double door situation going in here. Now we have the tile. We've got the soaker tub. We have 2 separate his and her vanities. We've got our walk-in shower there and his and her closets, you guys. And of course, a linen as well and the toilet, right? So this house has everything you need. Now, if you need 4 bedrooms, is it 4 bed? It is. It's 4 bedrooms plus a den. This incredible kitchen. You guys, this baby is priced around $550. I can probably get it for less. I can't believe it. It is gorgeous. So if you're interested in something like this, want more information, go to buyahousewithbarbie.com. Like, subscribe, follow me. You know what to do. Let's talk about your wish list.